G'day folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Wednesday the 7th of November. Well, it was all about the US election today really. Equities and commodities rallied on hopes of an Obama win that would see an extension of the easy monetary policy that would be seen as less likely in the event of Mitt Romney winning. But the US dollar has pretty much remained range bound throughout the day and is fairly steady against most of the currencies. The exception to this has been the Aussie, which after the RBA decision yesterday to leave rates unchanged, saw a sharp move higher. Once it took out 104, it's got up to resistance at 104.40 where it currently sits. So we've got the euros at 128.15 at the moment. Cables are around 160, dollar yen's at 80.35 and dollar Swiss is at 94.25. The Aussie, as I say, is at 104.40 and the Kiwis bid as well, that's up at 82.80. So focus is going to remain on the election result, but it looks likely that we're going to have an Obama victory if the bookies are to be believed. And they don't get it they don't get it wrong often, so if that's going to be the case, so we can expect more of the same. I think some choppy trade for the dollar, fairly directionless though, and with the euro, we're kind of weighed down by the problems going on in Europe, but equally the US dollar unlikely to gain too much strength, while the problem of the fiscal cliff, spending cuts and tax rises looks to take place on January the 1st if Congress can't reach any agreement. But that's about it today. It's really going to be a session to wait and see what the outcome is from the States. But in the meantime, if you do want a more comprehensive report on the markets, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au, and otherwise please just remember that any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only and not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's all for today. Have a very good one and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.